The new topic is the electroporation. What is the meaning of electroporation? Electro means electricity, electric current. पोरेशन मीन्स होता है मूवमेंट, ठीक है ना, इंसर्शन, इंट्रोड्यूस। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के प्रेजेंस में किसी चीज को इंसर्ट करना। तो दिस टेक्निक इज फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ह्यूमन and his co-workers in 1982 for the insertion of DNA inside a cell. तो इलेक्ट्रोपोरेशन में क्या होता है कि कोई चार्ज्ड मॉलिक्यूल या पार्टिकल किसी सेल के अंदर हम लोग अगर उसको इंसर्ट कर दें, ठीक है ना, बाय अप्लाइंग द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, when a charged molecule or particle are inserted inside a cell is known as the electroporation. So this is the molecular biology technique. This is the molecular biology technique in which charged molecule or particle are inserted inside the cell by applying the इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ठीक है ना। When cells experience controlled electric pulse, the phospholipid bilayer opens, creating temporary physical channels that allow molecules to enter inside the cell. Very simple. When we apply electric field around a cell, living cell, then due to the electric field, the phospholipid bilayer of the cells becomes open and create a temporary pores, channels. Through that channels, our charged molecules or particles are inserted inside the cell. So this is known as the electroporation. Now the principle of the electroporation. The eukaryotic cell membrane is bilipid, and that means bilayer membrane. They contain two types of protein, intrinsic and extrinsic protein. But when this cell placed between the electric field, the protein molecules, basically intrinsic protein, are moves towards the opposite pole. Why? Because proteins are the charged molecules. Clear? So they create channels, they create a pore. Through that pore, we can introduce the charged molecules, i.e. drugs or small fragment of DNA inside the cell. So this is the basic principle of the electroporation. Clear? The eukaryotic cells membrane is made up of lipids, phospholipids, proteins, and pectins, chitins, like that. Nobody, the pectin or chitin is present in plant cell only. Furthermore, animal cells does not have cell wall. Instead of that, a smooth cell membrane protects the cytoplasm of the animal cells. It's clear? Once we apply current to the cell suspension, it creates some pores in the cell membrane. But the voltage of current 1 to 1.5 kilovolt. Keep in mind, 1 to 1.5 kilovolt current is applied and can apply for effective insertion only for the some milliseconds. So this current is applied not for long time. If you apply for long time, then lipid bilayer becomes damaged. So you can use only for milliseconds, and after applying millisecond to this amount of current, they generate channels inside the cell membrane. We can easily introduce the charged molecules like drugs or any other chemicals, including small fragments of DNA inside the cell. So this is the basic principle of the electroporation. Now the cell becomes competent. The competent cells are now ready for the intake of foreign material, for example DNA. Right? The nucleic acid DNA are plasmid transferred into the cell cytoplasm with the current. Right?